Imagine running a slow query in Oracle and wondering, why isn't this faster? The answer may lie in something called the explain plan. Explain plan is Oracle's way of showing you the step-by-step approach it uses to execute your SQL, almost like seeing a behind-the-scenes blueprint for your query. It breaks down precisely how Oracle will access your data, join tables, use indexes, and process filters. For anyone tackling database performance, understanding explain plan is essential. Why does this matter? Even queries that look simple can run slowly if the database chooses an inefficient path. With Explain Plan, you gain insights to spot these bottlenecks and make informed improvements. So how can you generate one? In Oracle, it's as simple as running Explain Plan for your SQL query. Afterward, view the plan with select From Table, DBMS Explan Display. This reveals rows detailing each execution step, like full table scans, index usage, sorting, and joining. Each step is organized by order, showing what happens first and often nested to reflect parent-child relationships between operations. But how do you interpret what you see? Look for signs of inefficiency, full table scans on large tables, missing indexes, or excessive sorting. If you notice these, consider adding indexes, rewriting queries, or breaking tasks into simpler steps. Remember, Explain Plan is not a one-time tool. Use it each time you write or tune SQL. Compare different plans as you optimize. Sometimes a small change in a query or an index can make a huge difference. Mastering Explain Plan transforms you from guessing about performance to making data-driven decisions and tuning with confidence. Let Oracle show you the roadmap. All you need to do is follow it and watch your queries fly.